Hello guys, well, as you're about to find out in this video, I've ordered a new exhaust. It's a Delkevic stubby. It's quite a small exhaust, about 200 millimeters, or millimeters, what the hell, that would be fucking small, wouldn't it? Yeah. Actually, I think it might be 200 millimeters, I could be right. Can't remember off the top of my head, but yeah, so I thought it's only right to do the sound of the different exhausts. So what I'm gonna do is because currently on my old exhaust it's the Beowulf, so that's obviously an aftermarket, but the previous owner put that on. So I'll show you the sound of the Beowulf. It doesn't have a baffle in. I took that out and I lost it, because who wants a baffle? I'll show you without the exhaust, you know, standard procedure, you gotta do it. And then you'll hear the new Delk. So, to start with, this is the Beowulf exhaust. And there goes the drift remote. Goddamn! Stick that there. Right. Beowulf, the bike's fully warmed up because I've just got back from work, so. I decided to use my helmet because the mic tends to get a better sound quality than my phone camera. So you see that's quite deep anyway. What should we take it up to? Take it up to 5. Gets a pop in it, so that's good. On to no exhaust. Now guys, continuing from where we left off, this is the SV without an exhaust. I've had to cut it down, that's why there's a few hairs sticking out, but let's give it a listen. It might not be as warm as it was yesterday, but super loud. That's only at 3,000 revs. Sounds absolutely crazy. Right, let's get the Delk on. Right guys, it's not fitted full on properly yet, but you still get the sound from it. Reason is it's coming up a little bit too high, so I don't know if I need to chop more off of here. But ask me mate about it, he knows more than me. Here it is, the Delkevic exhaust. Let's give it a listen. Installed. Very deep sounding. Stop stalling. It's because it hasn't been warmed up yet. Yeah. Right. That's it guys. Sounds based. And the bike's trying to stall again. Right. Catch us later guys. Peace. Now everybody, there's only one place to test the new exhaust, and that is the Tyne Tunnel. There's no better place. And you ready? Everyone's got a loud exhaust. Right guys, just so you can actually see it fitted properly. There you are. It's a Delkevic 200mm stubby exhaust for the SV. You can get it for other bikes. My friend who actually helped sort this out, Blue Pixel, he's actually got, well, I think they are identical for his ZX9, and that sounds just as beast. But basically it's made the tone much deeper. It's more of a growl now. I won't start it up now because it's like much later on. It's been out for the ride. But yeah, for £120 you can't go wrong really. Absolutely brilliant. And as you can see, that inlet outlet, below my neck. Must warn you though, the baffle that comes with it looks like a giant dildo. Not that anyone uses the baffle anyway, but there you have it. I can almost get my fist in there. Absolutely crazy. Also, we're back being at Tesco. Temporarily looking fat. There you are. Pro biker carrying that is. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed my new exhaust. Might get a few Royal Jordanian moments. Even though I've been trying all night and it hasn't worked, but hey, I'm sure we'll get a few. Right, peace out guys. Shit, where's the keys? The fuck have I done with the keys? What the hell?